Good afternoon, everyone. Keep your cameras open, please. Good afternoon, and keep your cameras open, children. Okay, so that I can see how many of you are there in the meeting. Keep your cameras open. Adarsh, Saksham, Jagrati, Aditi, everyone. Harsh, Arpit. Keep your cameras open, please. Okay, so this I have sent to everyone. Have you all seen this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now next week onwards we are going to start. We are going to start it. Okay, did you get that? So it's a reading
Okay, ma'am.
challenge, an initiative by Department of School Education and Literacy with CBSC. So as a part of the reading challenge activity by CBSC, the following activities will be conducted in the school in English language to promote reading skills in the students. So this is the entire activity is distributed amongst all 5 weeks, upcoming weeks. Okay, so the first week is going to be started from Monday onwards. Okay, so we either I'll be doing it in my regular class or the PS class that we have got, but we have very less PS classes. Okay, so it can't be conducted in 1 or 2 periods, right? So I will be conducting it in my regular classes as well, because we have finished our syllabus, English syllabus, and we have plenty of time for this activity now, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So everyone is, all of you are requested to take part. All of you means each one of you, because I'm going to write the names of the children, those who are not taking interest in all these activities. Because time and again I have been telling you that you have to participate in all the activities that is being given by the teachers, because it is not for us because it's for you. Okay, so it is going to enable you to how to read. Okay, how to all the 4 skills that are there in English language: listening,
Yes, ma'am.
speaking, reading, and writing. Yes, so just give me a moment, let this PDF open. Yes, so it enables you to listen, to read, to speak, and to write. All these activities can be all these 4 drills can be learned while exercising throughout this week. Okay, so whatever activity is being given by the teachers, you have to take the part and take the initiative and do whatever has been told to you. Okay, so you have to, the audio of all the students of the classes has to be maintained by the teachers are going to maintain each and every audio. Okay, in the form, you have to make a video of the first activity, that is the reading the given text. I will be giving you a text, I will be forwarding you a book to which you are going to read out for like 2 minutes. Okay, you have to make a video of 2 minutes, not more than that. Okay, and in within that 2 minutes you have to complete a paragraph or a two, or whatever the text is going to be managed within 2 minutes. So I will be conducting the activity in online mode, and after that those whom I am not going to cover it in that particular time will be making a video and sending it to me. Okay, I'll share a Google form. Are you all listening? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Video
I'll
बनाना है या फिर audio है सिर्फ?
video
Yes,
video
ma'am.
video
Yes,
video.
ma'am.
Okay, not audio, video. So I will be sharing a Google form in which you are going to upload a video, and keep that in mind. Whatever the I think not beyond 25 or 100 MB, you are not going to there's a limit, certain limit of uploading a video. So I'll check out the limit of that video, how much MB you should require to make a video. Okay, so only within that MB you are going to complete your video, because it shows in the details. When you make a video, it in that particular video it shows the detail how much MB you have used for making that video. Okay, so it should not go beyond that limit, otherwise your videos are not going to be uploaded easily. Did you get that?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, speak louder. हाँ, if you can compress it, then you can post it. So if you know the procedure, you can do that. But yes, it has a limit, so you have to use the video in that particular limit. Okay, so second week there is a storytelling competition. You have to read a short story and record a video, and all the students will read the story on the virtual teaching platform. So that means I will be online. You are going to read out a story. It is not possible in a period to find out all the stories of all the students, or to listen all the stories of all the students. So obviously the stories which I am going to left out, they are going to make a video and send it to me, and then again next day another roll number wise I'll be listening. Okay, so suppose 1 to 10 on one day, 10 to 20 on the next day, because it is a week activity. Okay, so it will go for a week, right? So within a week we will be able to complete one activity, and then next week poem reading. Okay, so it goes like that. So you have to recite a poem. Poem can be from anywhere. I'll be sharing few poems with you, and if you have any poem along with you which you want to recite, you are most welcome doing that. Okay, along with the online activity that we are going to do it while sitting in front of us virtually, you have to make a video also and send it on the Google form. Okay, upload it on the Google form that I'll be sending the link. Okay, so there will be a video of the activity also, and whatever you have conducted in front of me. Okay, I will be having a recording of that thing also. So role play activity, screen recording of role play. All groups will perform the role play on virtual platform. So how this is going to be conducted, I'll let you know. Okay, so role play, you know how to play a role of a certain thing. Like for suppose there is a chapter, take any chapter from your book. Like the best Christmas present. Okay, so one will play a role of a Jim, one will play a role of a Connie. Okay, so like that. Okay, so each of you will play something of a kind of a role. You will collect all those videos, merge those videos along with it, and then it will be like a play. Okay, you all are sitting at your home, but at the same time we have conducted the online annual function last year, remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, have you seen how we have conducted? Everyone is sitting at home, but they have made a video, and we all have merged that video into one. Have you seen that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Same way. Okay, so it will be done in a same way. Okay, so we will have to make if the schools are going to be open on the 4th week of this month, then it is going to be offline. The activity we are going to do it offline. Okay, but yes, if the schools are still closed and we have to attend the online classes, then the things are going to be offline. Okay, so book reading and giving an oral book review. So we will provide you a PDF of the book. The few audio books will be also given to you. So you have to select a book of your own. Okay, and then you have to just read the book and give the feedback of the book. So book reviewing is a feedback of giving any of the book that you have read. Okay, so fifth week the book reading review, or yes, you have to give an oral book review also. That means you have to make a video again to and share the experience, share your experience of that particular book that you have read with others. Okay, so everyone got to know that what all things you have read in the book, how the book is good in moral teaching, or whatever the book is giving a message. So everyone will get to know about it. Okay, got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so anything which is not clear in this entire thing?
No, ma'am.
Any doubt, any questions?
No, ma'am.
Sorry? No, not from your syllabus. It should be from outside. Okay, book should be from outside. Okay, clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now, how much we have done? We have completed till exercise. Page number 94. We have
Ma'am,
done.
your voice is not
Yes.
clear.
We have done till here. Is it clear now? Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
My connection is full, beta. Is it clear? Okay, so we have to start from active passive voice.
आपका वॉइस ब्रेक कर रही है.
Now is it better?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Beta, my Wi-Fi connection is full. See, it's full.
अब क्लियर आ रही है.
हाँ, मेरा कनेक्टेड है. Okay, so we have done till here. Exercise R. Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So my voice, please, those who are saying no, ma'am, sit near the door or a window. Okay, so that you can easily listen to me. Okay. Now, how much we have done in future? This is for passive voice we were doing. Okay. Question number R. Everyone has done. Please let me know. Yes or no?
मैम पैसिव मैम पैसिव एंड एक्टिव वॉइस मैम स्टार्ट करना था मैम. उस दिन हमारी क्लास नहीं हो पाई थी मैम. आपका नेटवर्क खराब चल रहा था.
Yes, ma'am.
We have to start with active passive voice. That means sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Okay. So active passive voice. Okay. Who's going to tell me what is active passive voice? I thought I have already started in your class, because maybe I have started already in 8B. So maybe you are lagging behind. Okay. So tell me, what is active passive voice? Who's going to tell me? Why do we study active passive voice?
Ma'am, active voice means, ma'am, direct speech from the मैम इसमें मैम सब्जेक्ट की जगह ऑब्जेक्ट लगता है, ऑब्जेक्ट की जगह
मैम
subject
एक्टिव वॉइस में मैम वो सीधा मैम जो बोलने वाला होता है मैम वो बोलते हैं, और मैम पैसिव वॉइस में मैम किसी को बताने के लिए यूज होता है।
मैम एक्टिव वॉइस में डायरेक्ट फर्स्ट पर्सन
Okay.
टू सेकंड पर्सन, बट इन पैसिव वॉइस थर्ड पर्सन सेड टू फर्स्ट पर्सन.
Anyone else? I'm not getting the answer I am waiting for. Anyone else?
I mean, active voice, first person, then to second person. I mean, passive voice, first person, then third person, then to first person, about second person.
Ma'am, in active voice, ma'am, we give more importance to object rather than the subject.
Who is this? Who has given this answer? Who has given this answer? Please give me your name.
Ma'am, Arpit.
Arpit. Correct, Arpit, you have given the correct answer. Only Arpit's answer is correct, rest of you are not correct. Okay, so the purpose of learning this chapter is active and passive voice is that whenever we have over here a sentence is written, Rita cut the cake, isn't it? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
There's a sentence written over here, the Rita cut the cake. So here, what is the subject here? Rita. And what is the object here? The cake. Isn't it? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So all the...
For what?
Yes, Rita is the subject and the object is the cake. Okay? Are you all listening carefully?
मैम आपकी वॉइस बीच में ब्रेक हो रही है. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know why you are complaining that, because my signal is full. I don't know why. Let me check one more time. Now is it okay?
मैम अभी थोड़ा आ रहा है. मैम हल्की हल्की ब्रेक हो रही है, पर वो पहले से कम हो रही है.
Okay. Okay, so this is when there's a sentence written over here, Rita cut the cake. Okay, so here Rita is the subject and the cake is a object. So whenever we have to give, correct, this much is correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so whenever we have to give more importance to the subject rather than the object, whenever we have to lay the emphasis on the subject, on the object rather than the subject, we switch their places. Okay, getting it? Again I am explaining it to you. Whenever we have to give more importance to the object rather than the subject, हमको जब ऑब्जेक्ट को ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस देनी है, सब्जेक्ट को कम इंपॉर्टेंस देनी है, देन वी स्विच देयर प्लेसेस. ओके, विद द हेल्पिंग वर्ड बाय. With the helping word by. So now the sentence becomes, the cake was cut by
Rita.
Rita. Okay, so the cake was cut by Rita. This is the sentence become like this. So here the importance now is given to the cake, and the subject has taken the object's place, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Getting it? So the purpose of learning active into passive is to give more importance to the object rather than subject, and there are more purpose, there are more reasons for learning active into passive. That is, if the things are not clear, it is not clear who stole the bag, so then we used to say my bag was stolen at the fair. Who stole it? Nobody knows. And when we have to avoid blaming anyone. Okay, Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so when we have to avoid blaming anyone, then we always say that this something has been done or something has been stolen by someone. Okay, so it is not clear who has done this. Who has done this? It is not clear. Okay, so to avoid blaming anyone, or when the action of the person who has completed the action is not known, then we use active to passive. When it is not clear which truck hits him, that means the cyclist was hit by a racing truck. Which truck? It was a racing. So is there only one racing truck in the world?
No, ma'am.
There are many, right? There are many racing trucks. So that is why it is not known which racing truck has hit him. Okay, so that then also we are going to write the sentence in passive form. That means the cyclist was hit by a racing truck. Okay, so the announcement was heard by whom? It is not, and who has heard it and who has made the announcement, it is not known. So it is not clear that who made the announcement. Then also we can write the sentence into passive form. Did you get that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here the important point is given that the action is more important than who did it. Okay, who did the action or what caused it, who had completed the action, and what was the purpose of that action, who has caused that action. When it is not known, then we have to use the passive voice of the sentence. Got it? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So then when completing after this,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, then there are examples written over here. That these are the features of the example that is given over here. Okay, there are more examples. There is a notice also mentioned, which is written in a passive voice. The entire notice is written in passive voice. This you have to read on your own to understand all the things clearly. Okay, then here first exercise is given, and I have already shared the answers in the group, if you can see.
Ma'am, I have done them.
Yes, so this
Yes,
is the
ma'am, I have
this is the answers. So first one, Shoma has won a scholarship. What kind of a voice is it?
I'm active.
Active. Sheetal writes novels. Active.
I'm active.
Correct. Our house, yes, our house was renovated by an interior designer. Passive. Diana reads classics.
I'm active.
Active voice. Have you all done it in your grammar notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Every-
Note में नहीं.
No, I mean not on notebook. I mean grammar book.
Ma'am, I have done in book.
Book. Only in book. Have you all done it?
Yes, ma'am, I have done.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And in case you have not completed, please complete it. Okay. Then Diana reads classic is active. The house tax was paid by my father is passive. Correct. The classroom was cleaned by David. Passive. I rang the bell. Active. Correct. The principal gave away the awards. Active. Yes. So this exercise we have done, and then exercise B also I have written over here. Okay. Not written very clearly, but I want you all to do it in the copy notebook. Okay. So this exercise B should be done in the copy. I have already told you earlier, and I hope you all have written it. And if it is not written, please do write it, so that yes, so while doing it you would be able to understand. Okay, so Jumman waters the plants every day. So the conversion is Jumman, the plants are watered by Jumman. Okay, then second sentence is he throws the weeds away. So the weeds are thrown away by him. Now here I have to explain you one thing, there is a table given in your book, which is very important. Okay, so according to the tenses, the voice and passive and active voice changes. Okay, so if it is written grows in simple present tense, if it is written grows, whenever we are converting active voice into passive, it will become is or are grown. Is for singular and are for plural. We know that? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we know that. So,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, so when a present continuous tense is or are growing, so it will be converted is are being grown. Okay, present perfect tense has have grown. Okay, has have grown, and we know that has we use for singular and have we use for I, we, they.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
मैम हम लोग आई एम के साथ क्या यूज करेंगे?
Sorry,
एम.
I am.
यस मैम.
So I am is not written in passive active voice.
मैम वो ज्यादातर हम लोग मैम प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस में ज्यादातर हम लोग यूज करते हैं ना मैम. इज एम आर.
हाँ, so if it is like this, see, if I am washing the clothes. Suppose this is a sentence. Okay, so the clothes are clothes है ना, so the clothes are being washed by me. This is going to be the correct sentence of passive voice. ठीक है, so if I am is there, the clothes are being washed by me. Clear? Clear? Okay.
इसमें एम का कोई ज्यादा यूज ही नहीं है.
नहीं, am यूज होगा ही नहीं, क्योंकि हमने तो ऑब्जेक्ट को I को ऑब्जेक्ट की प्लेस पे ले जाना है ना. We have to use it as in the place of object. So then we are not going to use by I am. By I am, is it correct? Tell me.
No, ma'am.
No, by me is correct. Okay, so this is how we have to change. Okay, so this is the table which is very very important for everyone to learn. So perfect tense has have grown will become has have been grown. So have is am are के साथ हमेशा being use होगा, and has have we have to use been. Okay, so if suppose it is present perfect continuous, then there will be no passive voice of present perfect continuous. It is going to be like seen. Okay, getting it? For example, they
Okay, ma'am.
yes, they have been
Yes, ma'am.
yes, they have been growing the crops since last 2 weeks. Okay, so there will be no passive voice for this if have been growing comes over there. Okay, or have been plus have or has been plus verb का ing form. If the sentence has this have has been plus verb ing form, it is not going to be changed. Did you get that? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now listen very carefully. For
Yes, ma'am.
all perfect continuous, whether it is present perfect continuous, whether it is past perfect continuous, whether it is future perfect continuous, there will be no passive form of these passive and for future perfect continuous as well. No passive form of the voices.
फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस का भी तो होता है.
हाँ, future continuous will be growing कभी नहीं होगा. Okay, so it's written here na clearly in the table. See, there is a dash given over here. Yes or no? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Huh.
ma'am.
So wherever the dash is given over here, you are not going